Hello, and welcome to the self navigated training on steps to data driven instruction. My name is Deepika. Before you start with this training, download the attached document to record your answers. At the end of the training, you will be required to submit the completed document to your trainer. Alright, let's get started. Take a look at this data. What does this tell you? Take a moment to answer 1A on the answer document. Now let's sort this data in an increasing order. Does this help you analyze your data with ease? How about if I convert this data to visual form? Does this help it easier to analyze and visualize data? Record your answer in 1B. Data sorting and visualization is an important step in data-driven instruction. In this training, you will learn how to access the Benchmark Scores website, how to locate benchmark scores, how to export the scores on Microsoft Excel, how to sort the scores in an increasing order, strategies to target different group of students. The first step is to click on the link below. This link will take you to the website that reports the score of benchmark test. Enter the login information provided to you by your administration and click login. Click on NC check-ins. Click on the Reports tab. Select Course Level Reports by Teacher. Select your role and school from the drop-down. Hit Submit. I'm a science teacher, so my page lists all the science benchmarks taken by my students this year. I'm most interested in the scores from life sciences as this is the latest test taken by my students. So I'll click on Reports. I will click on Class Roster. A drop-down will appear listing all the classes I teach. I can click on any of the 4 classes listed to see the scores for that class. I'll be clicking on my third period, which has a code 18A. And here we have it. I have blurred the names of my students for privacy purposes. Along with the student names, the data tells us number of questions correct, the percentage correct, and the number of questions attempted. You can either print it or export it. I will export it. When you click export, it can be exported to Microsoft Excel on a Windows computer or to Apple numbers on a Mac computer. Now my scores have been exported to MS Excel. I will save the score to my computer. I will get rid of the information on the top that is not needed. In order to sort your data, click on the column that has the data and then go to the Home ribbon tab. Click on Sort and Filter and then sort smallest to largest. A checkbox will appear. Click on Expand the selection. This will ensure that student names and other attributes of the students move with the scores. Now the data has been sorted and the student names and other attributes moved along with the scores. Pause this video and draw a flowchart to steps to data-driven instruction in two-way. Practice these steps with your login information provided to you by your administration. Alright, I hope you had a good practice. You can see that we have 11 students who are my low scorer and need little help with the content. 7 kids are my bubble kids who just need a little bit extra push. And 11 kids are my high flyers who needed enrichment. Now that I know my students, I can meet them where they are. We have now reached to the strategy part where we will be developing lessons specifically targeting the needs of the student. For the low performing students, try to do the analysis before jumping to a conclusion. Ask why they performed poorly. Is it lack of attention in the class, lack of understanding, medical condition, poor choices, behavior, attention seeking, or is it something else? Your why will define your how. You are in the best position to assess your students' needs and come up with a solution that may work or may not work for your classroom. Scaffolding, annotating, presenting low-level text, visual learning, storytelling, adjusting pacing, and extrinsic motivation can work. However, again, before coming with an intervention plan, do a proper analysis of your students. For bubble kids, you can give them additional resources like iExcel, Study Island, some of the games like Kahoot. This will enable them to practice their skills and get more comfortable with the content. For high flyers, you can give extension experiences, for example, creating a movie, doing research, problem solving activity, escape room, digital storytelling. Now that you have looked at the data and seen some of the strategies to meet the students where they are, look at the scores from your classroom and come up with 2 strategies, each for your low-level kids, bubble kids, and high flyers. This is a prompt to be on your answer document. A successful teacher is one who can utilize the data from various sources to adjust her instruction in order to meet the need of the students. Data can come in various forms. It's not just a benchmark scores. You can collect data from your formative assessments, also from your CFAs, from your summative assessments, or from wherever possible. Thank you for attending this training. Please complete the knowledge check and don't forget to submit your full document to this email.